Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to paint Kraken Tyranid. We'll start by priming your models, then move on to the base colors. First, apply a white or light gray primer to ensure vibrant colors. Next, paint all the chitinous armor plates with Mephiston red. Finally, use a creamy bone color, such as Ushapti bone, for the fleshy parts and undersides. This foundational step is crucial for achieving the iconic Kraken scheme. Now let's add depth and definition to your Tyranids. Apply Carroburg Crimson Wash into the recesses of the red armor plates. This creates natural shadows. Then carefully highlight the raised edges of the red chitin with Evil Sunt Scarlet, making the armor pop. For the bone areas, use Seraphim Sepia Wash to shade the recesses, giving them a rich, aged appearance. These steps bring your models to life.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab yourself a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener. It's a small thing that makes a big difference. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Next, we'll focus on the finer details that make your Tyranids truly menacing. Paint all claws, teeth, and talons with Abaddon black to create a stark, predatory contrast. Then, carefully apply a thin edge highlight of Eshin gray to these black areas, defining their shape. For the sharpest points, add a final, even finer highlight of Dawnstone. This attention to detail enhances their fearsome appearance. Almost done. Let's add those crucial finishing touches. Paint the eyes with a bright, eerie green such as moot green to give your Tyranids a menacing glow. Once all paint is dry, apply a matte varnish to protect your hard work from handling and wear. Finally, base your models with a suitable texture paint and drip brush it to create a cohesive, battlefield-ready look. Your Kraken Tyranids are now complete.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.